We've been at training today, sort of filming you guys getting ready for the big game. How's everything going? How's the camp?
Everyone's working hard as always, and everyone's putting in 100%. Not great with the weather, but it's Wales. What can you do? I thought we done really well against Norway, and our performance definitely didn't reflect the result. And it was hard lines on the girls that they didn't come away with at least a few goals, and we probably could have got a draw if we had defended a bit better. So we're going to take all the positive that we've gained from the 2 games into Kazakhstan and hopefully be on the front foot throughout the 90 minutes.
We've got experienced players in this team that are able to bounce back and to bring everyone else up, and it's been a difficult start, but we've had the top seed and second seed in the group that we've played the first 2 games. So yeah, we're positive and we're looking forward to the next 2 games. We've analysed both games thoroughly, so we know what we've got to do to put things right now against Kazakhstan and Israel next week. And like I said, we're just looking to bounce back and to get 6 points from them games.
And in terms of the match taking place at Haverfordwest, you're from the sort of West Wales region. You're looking forward to going back home, I guess?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, it's not often I get to play back at home, so it's nice to go back. And I know there's a few schools that my primary school and secondary school will be there, so it'd be nice, yeah, to play in front of family and friends. And we always get a good crowd down there, so I'm looking forward to it.
Jane wanted to create an atmosphere and a local feel about it, and I think that's a great ground, and it's been great to us in the past. We've probably won on there, probably only lost one, I think, against Scotland a few years ago, but it's always great to have the kids from the schools come in. We've always had great support there, and hopefully we can get some more support on Thursday and watch us get 3 points.
West Wales is huge, and it always gets, the fans are always out there, and anything that goes on down that way, everyone goes out to support it, so it is nice that it's down there. And yeah, I think they're looking forward to it. I know they've been prepping the pitch and stuff for the past few weeks, so it's definitely something that they're looking forward to, and we are as well.